Hello everyone, my name is Trapti Parekh. Currently, I am working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. In this video, we will discuss about an interesting observation of Madras High Court on Domestic Violence Act. Justice S. Vaidyanath expressed concern that there is no law like the Domestic Violence Act to deal with the complaint against women in domestic relationship. On 31st March, the court passed an order that it appears that the second respondent, who is wife and a woman complainant, is unnecessarily harassing the petitioner. Unfortunately, there is no provision like Domestic Violence Act to proceed against the wife by the husband. Complaint has been given 4 days prior to grant of the divorce by the family court, which itself clearly to show that the second respondent has anticipated divorce order and created unnecessary trouble to the petitioner. The court also prompt to the court that to commence on the dwelling sanctity attached to the sacrament of the marriage, particularly after living relationship, were approved under the Domestic Violence Act. The court said that the present generation must also understand that the marriage is not a contract but a sacrament one. Of course, the word sacrament has been meaning or after coming into the effect of the Domestic Violence Act 2005 that approves living relationship. Husband and wife also must realize that ego and intolerance are like footwear and should be left out of their house when they enter in the home, as the child and children will have to face a miserable life. The High Court has dealing with a plea by the man seeking reinstatement of his job from he was suspended, citing the complaint launched by his wife in the domestic issue. The court noted that the petitioner had earlier moved an divorce petition containing cruelty voluntary desertion by his wife, which was accepted by the family court. Days before the verdict was pronounced, the wife was stated to have filed the domestic violence complaint against the petitioner. Though the wife was impleaded as the party to the case before the High Court, she filed has to appear the despite service of notice. In the backdrop, the court opened that the wife may have decided only to harass the petitioner. Justice Vaidyanath therefore ordered restatement of the petitioner to his job within 15 days. As the family issue has been already resolved by the court observed that as the family issue has been already been resolved by the means of the order by the family court, the question of placing the petitioner under suspension does not arise, more so when there is a finding of cruelty and voluntary desertion by the second respondent herein. It appears that only to harass the petitioner, the present complaint has been launched by the second respondent, based on which police have initiated action on the first respondent department has the petitioner under suspension. The judge added that the question of whether the petitioner is guilty or not of the allegation made against him by the wife in her complaint would have to be decided by the appropriate forum. However, in the meanwhile, the court opened that there is no need to keep the petitioner under suspension from the work. The court also added that in the case the matter ends in the compromise or the petitioner is acquitted of the charge, as the family court has already held that there is a cruelty and desertion by the second respondent. The petitioner will have to be paid by the government without extracting any work, the court added. So I hope you I hope you like the interesting legal news about the Madras High Court as the Domestic Violence Act. Thank you.